The Kuiper Belt, a mysterious and enigmatic region lurking at the edge of our solar system, is a place where the sun's light barely reaches, and the cold, dark void of space reigns supreme. This vast frozen frontier is a treasure trove of secrets, holding clues to the origins of our solar system and the cosmic forces that shaped it. Imagine a place so distant, so alien, that it defies comprehension. A place where icy worlds drift in silence, untouched by time, waiting to reveal their stories. This is the Kuiper Belt, a realm of wonder and mystery that has captivated scientists and dreamers alike. Let us embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of this frozen frontier, a journey that will take us to the very edge of our cosmic backyard. The Kuiper Belt, often referred to as the solar system's attic, is a colossal disc-shaped region that begins just beyond the orbit of Neptune, stretching from about 30 astronomical units, AU, to 50 AU from the Sun. To put that into perspective, 1 AU is the distance between the Earth and the Sun, about 93 million miles. So the Kuiper Belt is a place so far away that it takes sunlight over 4 hours to reach its inner edge and nearly 7 hours to reach its outer limits. This is a realm where the sun is nothing more than a bright star in the sky, and the temperature hovers just a few degrees above absolute zero. It is a place of eternal frost, where ice is as hard as rock, and the very fabric of time seems to slow down. But what makes the Kuiper Belt so fascinating is not just its distance or its cold, but the countless icy bodies that call it home. These are not just random chunks of ice and rock. They are the remnants of the solar system's birth, the leftover building blocks that never coalesced into planets. Imagine a cosmic construction site, frozen in time, where the materials used to build the outer planets still lie scattered, waiting to tell their story. Among these icy bodies is Pluto, once considered the 9th planet, now reclassified as a dwarf planet and recognized as one of the Kuiper Belt's most famous residents. But Pluto is just the tip of the iceberg. The Kuiper Belt is home to hundreds of millions of objects, each with its own unique history and secrets. One of the most shocking revelations about the Kuiper Belt is its sheer size. This vast region is one of the largest structures in our solar system, dwarfing even the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. While the asteroid belt is a relatively narrow band of rocky debris, the Kuiper Belt is a sprawling expanse of icy worlds, stretching billions of miles across. It is a place where the rules of the inner solar system no longer apply, where the gravitational influence of the Sun is weak and the orbits of objects are shaped by the distant pull of Neptune and the other gas giants. This is a place where chaos and order coexist, where the dance of celestial bodies is both beautiful and unpredictable. But the Kuiper Belt is not just a collection of icy rocks. It is a dynamic and evolving region. The objects here are not static. They are constantly interacting, colliding, and reshaping themselves. These collisions can create comets, icy wanderers that are flung inward toward the sun, where they light up the night sky with their glowing tails. In fact, the Kuiper Belt is one of the primary sources of short-period comets, those that orbit the sun in less than 200 years. These comets are like cosmic messengers, carrying with them the ancient materials of the Kuiper Belt and offering us a glimpse into the early days of the solar system. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Kuiper Belt is its structure. Unlike the flat, ring-like asteroid belt, the Kuiper Belt is more like a thick, donut-shaped region, with its objects spread out in a three-dimensional space. This gives it a unique and complex shape, with some objects orbiting close to the plane of the solar system and others tilted at steep angles. This diversity of orbits is a testament to the chaotic history of the Kuiper Belt, a history shaped by the gravitational tug-of-war between the Sun, Neptune, and the other outer planets. But perhaps the most shocking discovery about the Kuiper Belt is the so-called Kuiper Cliff. At around 50 astronomical units from the Sun, the number of large objects in the Kuiper Belt drops off dramatically, creating a sharp boundary that scientists have dubbed the cliff. This sudden drop-off is a mystery that has puzzled astronomers for decades. Why does the Kuiper Belt end so abruptly? What lies beyond this invisible barrier? Some theories suggest that the gravitational influence of an unseen planet, often referred to as Planet 9, could be responsible for this strange phenomenon. Others propose that the Kuiper Cliff is the result of ancient gravitational interactions that reshaped the outer solar system. Whatever the cause, the Kuiper Cliff is a reminder that there is still much we don't understand about this distant region. The Kuiper Belt is also home to some of the most unusual objects in the solar system. Take, for example, the dwarf planet Haumea, a bizarre, egg-shaped world that spins so fast it completes a rotation in just 4 hours. This rapid spin has stretched Haumea into its unusual shape and even created a ring of debris around it. Then there's Eris, a dwarf planet that is slightly larger than Pluto and has a surface so reflective it shines like a cosmic mirror. These objects are not just curiosities, they are windows into the diverse and dynamic nature of the Kuiper Belt. But the Kuiper Belt is not just a place of scientific interest, it is also a source of inspiration and wonder. It is a reminder of how vast and mysterious the universe is and how much we have yet to discover. The Kuiper Belt is a frontier, a place where the known meets the unknown, and where the boundaries of our knowledge are constantly being pushed. It is a place that challenges us to think bigger, to dream bigger, and to explore the cosmos with a sense of awe and curiosity. As we continue to study the Kuiper Belt, we are uncovering more and more about its secrets. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the origins of our solar system and the forces that shaped it. But the Kuiper Belt is also a reminder of how much we still have to learn. It is a place of endless possibilities, where the next great discovery could be just around the corner. So as we gaze out into the frozen depths of the Kuiper Belt, let us remember that this is not just a distant region of space. It is a part of our cosmic heritage, a place that holds the key to understanding who we are and where we come from. The Kuiper Belt is more than just a collection of icy worlds. It is a testament to the beauty and complexity of the universe. It is a place where science and imagination meet, where the cold, dark void of space is filled with the light of discovery. So let us continue to explore this frozen frontier, to uncover its secrets, and to marvel at the wonders it holds. The Kuiper Belt is a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and that the greatest adventures are still waiting to be had. The Kuiper Belt is not just a relic of the past. It is a living, breathing region of the solar system that continues to evolve and surprise us. Recent discoveries have revealed that this frozen frontier is far more dynamic than we ever imagined. For instance, scientists have observed that some Kuiper Belt objects, KBOs, exhibit strange, unexpected behaviors, such as sudden outbursts of activity or changes in their brightness. These phenomena suggest that the Kuiper Belt is not a static graveyard of icy debris, but a region where processes like sublimation, collisions, and even geological activity might still be at play. Imagine icy worlds so far from the sun that they should be frozen solid, yet somehow they seem to be alive with activity. This challenges our understanding of how celestial bodies behave in the extreme cold of space and raises questions about what other surprises the Kuiper Belt might hold. One of the most groundbreaking discoveries in recent years is the detection of ultra-red objects within the Kuiper Belt. These objects, which appear strikingly red in color, are unlike anything else in the solar system. Scientists believe that their unique coloration is due to the presence of complex organic molecules on their surfaces, possibly formed by the interaction of cosmic rays with methane and other ices over billions of years. These molecules could be the building blocks of life, hinting that the Kuiper Belt might hold clues not just to the origins of our solar system, but to the origins of life itself. The idea that such distant, frozen worlds could harbor the ingredients for life is both thrilling and humbling, reminding us that the universe is far more interconnected than we often realize. Another fascinating aspect of the Kuiper Belt is its role as a cosmic time capsule. The objects here have remained largely unchanged since the formation of the solar system over 4.6 billion years ago. Studying them is like opening a window into the past, allowing us to see what conditions were like when the planets were still forming. For example, the dwarf planet Makemake, one of the largest KBOs, has a surface covered in frozen methane, ethane, and possibly nitrogen. These ices are thought to be pristine, untouched by the heat and radiation that have altered the surfaces of objects closer to the sun. By analyzing these materials, scientists can piece together the chemical and physical processes that shaped the early solar system, offering insights into how planets like Earth came to be. But the Kuiper Belt is not just a place of scientific discovery, it is also a source of cosmic beauty. The New Horizons spacecraft, which flew past Pluto in 2015, revealed a world of stunning complexity. With towering mountains of water ice, vast plains of frozen nitrogen, and a hazy atmosphere that glows in the sunlight. Beyond Pluto, New Horizons encountered Arakoth, a distant KBO that looks like two pancakes stuck together. This bizarre shape, formed by the gentle collision of two smaller objects, provides a snapshot of how planets and moons might have formed in the early solar system. Arakoth's smooth, unblemished surface suggests that it has remained virtually unchanged since its formation, making it one of the most pristine objects ever studied. The images and data sent back by New Horizons have transformed our understanding of the Kuiper Belt, revealing it to be a place of incredible diversity and beauty. Yet for all we have learned, the Kuiper Belt remains shrouded in mystery. One of the most tantalizing questions is whether there are still large, undiscovered objects lurking in its depths. The discovery of dwarf planets like Eris and Haumea has shown that the Kuiper Belt is home to worlds that rival Pluto in size and complexity. Could there be even larger objects waiting to be found? Some scientists believe that a massive undiscovered planet, often referred to as Planet 9, could be hiding in the outer reaches of the Kuiper Belt, its gravitational influence shaping the orbits of distant objects. While the existence of Planet 9 remains unconfirmed, the search for it has sparked a new wave of interest in the Kuiper Belt and its secrets. The Kuiper Belt also holds clues to the solar system's turbulent past. The orbits of many KBOs are highly eccentric and inclined, suggesting that they were once flung into their current paths by the gravitational influence of the giant planets. This chaotic reshuffling, known as the Nice model, is thought to have occurred billions of years ago, when the outer planets migrated to their current positions. The Kuiper Belt, with its strange and varied orbits, is a living record of this ancient upheaval, offering a glimpse into a time when the solar system was a far more violent and unpredictable place. But the Kuiper Belt is not just a place of scientific interest, it is also a source of inspiration for future exploration. As we push the boundaries of our technology, the idea of sending missions to the outer reaches of the Kuiper Belt is becoming increasingly feasible. Imagine a spacecraft landing on a distant KBO, drilling into its icy surface and analyzing its composition in search of clues to the origins of the solar system. Such a mission would be a monumental achievement, opening up new frontiers in our understanding of the cosmos. The Kuiper Belt is not just a distant region of space, it is a destination, a place where humanity's thirst for knowledge and exploration can take us to new heights. As we continue to study the Kuiper Belt, we are reminded of how much we still have to learn about our own solar system. This frozen frontier, with its icy worlds and ancient secrets, is a testament to the complexity and wonder of the universe. It challenges us to think beyond the familiar, to explore the unknown, and to embrace the mysteries that lie at the edge of our understanding. The Kuiper Belt is not just a place, it is a journey that takes us to the very limits of our cosmic backyard and beyond. And as we gaze out into the cold, dark depths of this distant region, we are reminded that the universe is full of surprises, waiting to be discovered by those who dare to dream.